Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up SmartThings to integrate with Alexa and Google step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your SmartThings app is installed on your mobile device. Open the SmartThings app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner to access settings. Scroll down and select the devices option. Here, you'll find a list of all your connected devices. To integrate with Alexa, first, open the Alexa app on your mobile device. In the Alexa app, tap on the More icon in the bottom right corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type SmartThings and select the SmartThings skill from the results. Tap on Enable to Use to link your SmartThings account to Alexa. You will be prompted to log in to your SmartThings account. After logging in, grant Alexa permission to access your SmartThings devices. Once permissions are granted, return to the Alexa app. To discover your devices, say, "Alexa, discover my devices," or tap on the Devices tab to refresh. Your SmartThings devices should now appear in the Alexa app. Next, to integrate with Google Assistant, open the Google Home app on your device. In the Google Home app, tap on the plus icon in the top left corner. Select Set up Device from the menu options. Tap on Works with Google to find third-party services. In the search bar, type SmartThings and select the SmartThings option. Tap on Link to connect your SmartThings account to Google Assistant. You will need to log in to your SmartThings account again. Once logged in, authorize Google Assistant to control your SmartThings devices. After authorization, you can say, "Hey Google, sync my devices to ensure everything is connected." Your SmartThings devices should now be accessible through Google Assistant. To test the integration, use voice commands like "Alexa, turn on the living room lights," or "Hey Google, turn off the bedroom lights." If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.